Today, we all think we have everything, but we are not aware how much really we can utilize whatever you have. Have everything. But what you're using, don't forget that is the moment you need to be enjoy. And most of the time what happens, when we eat, we think something else. We're not aware what we are eating. That's why that is very important. When you eat, just eat. Okay, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Give that 15 minutes for the food what you eat. It becomes meditation. You take a bath. We think, oh, I have to do this. I have to go and do this meeting. These are the works I have to complete. In the bath. No. When you take a bath, experience every drop of water falling on your body. It has nectar. It nourishes us and releases the tension from the skin. Every cell of the skin. Experience that. When we walk, we think, oh, I have to reach fast. I have to do this. I have to do that. No. When you go there, you are sure you are doing that only. But when you walk, feel every step of yours, from the heel to the toes, how it touches. You never hurt. You never feel the weight of your body. And you have an energy there. But what is happening today? We either live in the past or we live in the future. I request everyone, just be there. Experience. If you're watching a movie, just watch the movie. Don't think about what happens after the movie, what is going to be, or it's what was in the past. Okay. If you're doing anything, if you work, see what is our problem today? Work. We all think we work so many hours. Really, we do work. We think so much. But when you work, just work. Believe me, your 12 hours work completes in 8 hours. Even sometimes 6 hours. You have productivity so much. There is so much extra time we spend for past or future. This has to be stopped. And just be there, feel there, experience that. That is the presence can make a big difference. First thing, as I previously said, when you are present, you will be healthy. Believe me, the present, every little things you do in day-to-day life. If you go to the bed, you sleep. Most of us, we don't sleep. When we go to the bed, we think tomorrow what I have to do. Or someone sends a message, we are thinking about, wow, this, that is this, I am going to do this. If you're if you're doing that, where is our present? You can't sleep. You're already lost your whole pattern of sleep. Then naturally, when you get up, you can't get up. Okay, when we sleep, 100% sleep, throw everything out. Just fall. When you fall, that's going to be deep sleep. And when you wake up, that's a remain fresh. What happens, when we sleep, you mindfully sleep. You tell yourself, okay, I'm sleeping 9 o'clock at night. Sorry, that is generally people sleep at 10:30. Okay, 10 o'clock you sleep. The morning, 5 o'clock I want to get up. Okay, you no need alarm. 100% trust you're getting at 5 o'clock in the morning. What happens, 4:55, you get up, you switch on light. After 5 minutes, your alarm rings. That is your biological clock is so strong, but we never believe. We never believe. Okay, we think, okay, oh, I can't get up. Then we keep 3 alarms. Okay, press, okay, another press, and another press. Sometimes we sleep another 2 hours extra. This is what is happening. But I request everyone, just be there. If you sleep, really sleep. The half an hour before everything you leave, just prepare yourself to happily absorb the whole day. Just reflect the day. It becomes so happy. And that takes you into the deep rest. When you wake up, you are completely fresh. The full day starts. That's why I request everyone, be present. Every moment, live every moment. That's the beauty.